Let's talk about positions of things. You can say on top of, below. On top of is like above. On top of, we can say, let's just write we. I'll tell you how we'll form it. And then below, bo. Now, let's say, what is on top of what? Kuon ni, we yango. Kuon ni yango.
Mesa.
Mesa. Kuon ni mesa. So kuon of course is ugali. Ni is, and when it's followed by a, it simply means is. It's not easy to translate this into English anyway. Ni ewi mesa. So ewi together is what forms is on top of. On top of. So here you say ewi. Ewi, and then you say whatever it is on top of. So you can say kuni ewi mesa. The same reason you'll say ebo, and you can say woche. Woche means shoes. Shoes. Woche ni ebo. Ebo mesa. That is to say what? Woche ni ebo mesa.
Shoes are under the table.
Yeah, shoes are under the table. Woche ni ebo mesa. So you see, the positioning, it starts with a we, a bo, and if it is on the side, we can say a bath or a bath. A bath. Some people say a boot. A bath, a boot. This means by the side. By the side. My pen has got no more ink. By the side. So if you want to say the cow is next to the house. We learned already a cow and we learned about the house. The cow is next to the house.
Diang.
Diang, which is cow. Diang.
Nieba.
Diang. Ni.
Eba.
Bath.
Dala.
Dala is home. We want to say next to the house. It starts with O. O. There are only two letters. O.
Ot.
Ot. They are near but ot. Or you can also say they are near boot ot. A bath ot or a boot ot. Okay. What was the plural of diang? We talked about the plural of diang.
Dobe.
It's dok.
Or dog.
Dog. Now, I want you to form another sentence. We will use the verb tueyo. Tueyo is to tie. Tueyo is to do what? To tie. Tueyo. And then you'll again conjugate tueyo the way we conjugated other verbs. So if you want to say I have tied or I am tying, what do you say? Atueyo. Now I've said the plural of dhiang is
Dhok.
atueyo dhok. Next to
Ebut.
a bath. And now we use home is what?
Ot.
Home.
Dala.
Dala. Atueyo dhok a bath.
Dala.
Yeah. Or atueyo dhok a bush dala. So if somebody asks you, okay, where did you take the cattle? I've tied them next to the home. Okay? Atueyo dhok here simply means, like you take out your cattle to go and graze. So you use ropes to tie them to graze somewhere. That is what we mean by atueyo dhok. So you tie them. Other positioning, you can also say a talk. We have said bath, a boot, a wee, a boar. Now a talk. A talk is behind. Behind a talk. Now say I've tied the cattle behind the home.
Atueyo dhok near to etok dala.
Yeah, atueyo dhok etok dala. Atueyo dhok etok dala. Then behind is chien. Chien.
Behind. It talks.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, because a talk also means behind, but chien also means behind or towards the end. Now the difference is this. A talk simply means like at the back of. Okay? At the back of. At the back of. So it can be like you can also tell somebody, put the luggage on your back. Okay? On your back. So talk is actually the back. So you can say Kate muzigo etoki. Welcome muzigo on your back. Or put the luggage on your back. But behind is something that is, it can be behind you when you're walking or behind the fence. Okay? The area behind some place. But now it will make more sense if we use an example. Let's say you are walking as a group, but somebody is walking slowly. Chances are that you leave them behind. Okay? So, you are walking as a group, you get to your destination, but one person has not arrived. So, that person, we will use a new verb here, which is dong. Dong is like it can be to stay or to lag. So we'll say Onyango odong chien. Onyango odong chien. If you say Onyango odong chien, Onyango has remained behind. So he's back at the end, or he is yet to arrive. So you see that is different from where you tied the cattle. When you said the cattle are behind the home or behind the house. But now chien is basically like in one line and then something is behind. Okay? So you can also tell somebody, wedong chien, stop being behind, stop lagging behind. Wedong chien. So chien is that behind. Okay? And in front, in front of this one, mostly people use Kiswahili, yeah? You just say mbele. Yeah? So you can tell somebody, go ahead, huh? This is borrowed from Kiswahili. But in Dholuo we have the word nyime. So you can tell somebody, go ahead. The nyime. But you can also say the mbele. The mbele can be go ahead or go in front. Okay?